Hello friends, welcome back. Let's start by preparing our hands for action. We are going to start with the right hand. Thumb on string number 4, index on string number 3, middle finger on string number 2, and ring finger on string number 1. Make sure that your fingers are curved, and now lift your hand a little bit. Stay close to the strings, but don't touch them. And now you have your right hand ready to stroke those strings. And for the purposes of this lesson, our left hand preparation is going to be bringing our finger number 1 close to string number 2, fret number 1, and finger number 2 close to string number 4, fret number 2. This preparation is going to make it easier for us to play. Our first fragment starts with an open third string that we pluck with index finger. Then we press finger 2 on string number 4, fret number 2, and pluck it with the thumb. Then index finger plays string number 3 again. We bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck it with the middle finger. We end up with a position of 2 fingers, finger 1 on string 2, fret 1, and finger 2 on string 4, fret 2. Let's see the finger picking pattern once again is index, thumb, index, middle. And now let's see the rhythm. We have a 6/8 time signature, which means we're going to be counting 1 and 2 and With that in mind, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and and that is our first fragment. To go into the next fragment and measure 2, we're going to actually leave our fingers right where we have them. And we are going to play string number 1 open with the ring finger, and then simultaneously we play strings number 4 and 2, 4 with thumb, 2 with middle finger. Then we use index to pluck string number 3 and middle to pluck string number 2 again. Let's see once again the right hand. It's A, P and M together, I, M. And now let's focus on the rhythm. We got 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and Fragment number 3. We are going to pluck string number 1 with the ring finger, and then we bring finger 3 to string 4, fret 3, and finger 4 to string 2, fret number 3. We pluck those strings at the same time with the thumb and the middle fingers. Then open third with index, second string with middle. Let's hear that again without pauses. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and Fragment number 4, we play string number 1 open with ring finger, and then we bring finger 1 to string 2, fret 1, and finger 2 to string 4, fret 2, and we pluck them at the same time with thumb and middle fingers. Open third with index, and open first with ring finger. Let's see that again. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and To go into the next fragment that starts at the pickup of measure number 5, we're going to leave all our fingers where we have them, and we're going to pluck string 3 with index, string 4 with the thumb, string 3 again with index, and string 2 with middle finger. So it's I, P, I, M. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and To go into measure number 6, we're going to keep our fingers right where we have them again, and we're going to pluck string number 1, 4 and 2, 3 and 2. That's A, P, M, I, and M. A, P, M, I, M. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and To go into measure number 7, starting from the pickup to measure number 7, we pluck string number 1 with the ring finger. We bring fingers 3 and 4 to strings 4, fret 3, and string 2, fret 3, and we plug them together. with thumb and middle finger. Then open third, then open second with middle finger. Let's see that again. One and a, two and a, one and a, two and a. And to go into measure 8, we are going to play string 1 with ring finger, and we bring finger 1 to string 2 fret 1 and finger 2 to string 4 fret 2, and we plug them together with thumb and middle. Let's see that with the count down. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. And now we have gotten all the way to the very middle of the piece. To go into measure number 9, we start from the pickup to measure number 9. We play open first. We bring fingers 3 and 4 to string number 4, fret number 3, and string number 2, fret number 3. We plug them at the same time with thumb and index. Open third string with index, and string number 2, still with our finger on fret number 3 with middle. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. To go into measure number 10, starting from the pickup, string with ring finger, finger 1 on string number 2 fret number 1, and finger 2 on string number 4 fret number 2. Plug them at the same time with thumb and middle fingers. And then string number 3 with index finger. So we have finger picking A, PM, I. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. To go into measure 11, we play open first. Finger 3 goes to string 4 fret 3 and finger 4 to string 2 fret 3 together with thumb and middle finger. Open third with index, and again middle finger on the second string, still with our fourth finger on fret number 3. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. To go into measure 12, we play string number 1 open with ring finger, and we bring finger 1 to string 2 fret 1 and finger 2 to string 4 fret 2. We plug them at the same time with thumb and middle fingers. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. We're going to leave our fingers right where we have them to go into measure 13, and we're going to play open third with index, fourth with thumb, third with index, and second with middle finger, pressing on fret number 1. Our finger picking goes like this: I, P, I, M. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. To go into measure 14, we're going to keep our fingers right where we have them again, and we're going to do string number 1, strings 4 and 2 at the same time, thumb and middle again, open third with index, and second string with middle again, still with our finger 1 on fret number 1. A, PM, I, M. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a. To go into the last fragment, starting at the pickup to measure 15, we are going to play open first, and then finger 3 goes to string 4 fret 3, and finger 4 goes to string 2 fret 3. We plug them at the same time with thumb and middle fingers. Open third with index, open second with middle finger, open first with ring finger, and then we go back to string number 2 fret number 1 with finger 1, and finger 2 to string number 4 fret number 2, and we plug them together at the same time with thumb and middle fingers. 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 1 and a, 2 and a, 1. And there you have it, lesson 58. In the description box, you'll find a link to a play-along video, so you can play this with me at a slow tempo, and other useful resources. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Always remember to enjoy the process.